Tony.
All right, Nick, I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
There you go.
McGruff, the crime dog here. Tony thinks he's gonna walk home alone. Tony's wrong.
What are you doing? Walking off by yourself. You should have waited at the mall. Oh, man. I didn't think.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Good thing it was his friends, because teenagers are the victims of over 2,000 violent crimes by strangers every day. You can help stop it. Learn to protect yourself and your friends. Find out more. Write to McGruff, the crime dog, and help take a bite out of crime.